Hey everyone, welcome back to series of theoretical interview questions for SQL. In this video, you will learn about what is database, what are the different types of databases, and what are the differences between relational and non-relational databases. Before watching this video, make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification for upcoming videos on SQL. So let's start the video. What is database? Database is a place or a medium where we can store our data in systematic and organized manner, which can be accessed electronically. Databases are designed to manage, store and retrieve large amounts of data efficiently. Nowadays, databases are essential in various fields such as business, education, healthcare and technology. Basic operations that we can perform on any databases are create, read, update and delete. These operations are also known as CRUD operations. Now we will discuss the different types of databases that are present in today's market. Centralized databases are managed and accessed from the single place. This type of database is operated, modified and managed from that location itself. Distributed database consists of multiple databases connected and spread across different physical locations. In relational database, data is stored in the form of tables, which is the combination of rows and columns, and we can build a relationship between each tables. NoSQL database is a type of database that is non-tabular. In this type of database, data is stored in the form of document, key and value pair, wide and column, and graph. In cloud databases, data is stored and executed on a cloud platform. An object-oriented database is a type of database that works with a complex data objects. In a hierarchical database, data is viewed as a collection of tables that forms a hierarchical relation. A personal database is a local database system intended for only one user to store and manage data from this system. Now, we will see the differences between relational and non-relational database. In relational database, we store the data in the form of tables, which is the combination of rows and columns. In non-relational database, we store the data in non-tabular form such as documents, key and value pair, graphs and wide and column. A relational database follows a fixed schema with a predefined structure, whereas a non-relational database doesn't have any fixed schema or structure. Whenever new data is added to a relational database, new rows are added to the particular table, resulting in vertical scaling of the table. In contrast, a non-relational database follows horizontal scaling. We use a structured query language, that is SQL, to communicate with a relational database, while we use NoSQL to communicate with a non-relational database. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more videos on SQL and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.